Yeah. My county.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued
It's on my phone too.
warning for Towns County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Lufkin County in north-central Georgia, Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ellijay, Balloon Ridge, Iowa C, Blairsville, Young Harris, East Ellijay, Morganton, such as Blue Mountain Shelter, Jones Mill, Gunlog, Jones Creek, Titus, Conehaga Wilderness, Pisgah, Mineral Bluff, Cherry Log, Stover Creek Shelter, Plum Orchard Gap Shelter and Hemp. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don T. drowned when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Whoa, double header. Where'd that come from?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Towns County in northeastern
A
Georgia,
double
northern
in my
Union
county.
County in north-central Georgia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is awesome.
At 7:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported road and culvert flooding due to high runoff from thunderstorms across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Iowa C, Blairsville, Young Harris, Brassbound Bald, Gunlog, Notley Dam, Ivy Log, Titus, Track Rock, Tate City, Macedonia, Plum Orchard Gap Shelter and Alexander's Mill. Turn around. Don T. drowned when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Alright.
The forecast for the Iowa C, Blairsville,